Understanding Raccoon Repellent, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific phrase that you might come across: raccoon repellent. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a homeowner, or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand not just the meaning of these words, but also how they are used in everyday conversation. Let's dissect the phrase, raccoon repellent. This phrase is made up of two words, raccoon and repellent. A raccoon is a medium-sized mammal known for its distinctive black mask-like markings around its eyes and its habit of rummaging through trash. They are commonly found in North America. The word repellent, on the other hand, is an adjective that describes something used to deter or keep away a specific thing. It often refers to a substance or a device. Now, let's put the phrase into context. Raccoon repellent refers to any substance, device, or method used to keep raccoons away. This is particularly relevant for people who want to protect their gardens, trash cans, or houses from these curious creatures. For example, someone might say, "I need to buy some raccoon repellent to stop them from getting into my trash cans." Understanding raccoon repellent also involves a bit of cultural knowledge. In areas where raccoons are common, such as in many parts of the United States and Canada, this phrase is more frequently used. It reflects a common challenge that many residents face in keeping raccoons away from their properties. To expand your vocabulary, let's look at some synonyms and related phrases. Instead of raccoon repellent, people might also say raccoon deterrent or raccoon prevention measures. All these phrases convey a similar idea of keeping raccoons at bay. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what raccoon repellent means and how it's used in everyday language. Remember, learning a language isn't just about words and grammar. It's also about understanding the cultural and contextual nuances. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.